In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take payments in GoHighLevel with funnels and invoices. First, let's get your payment integration set up. Head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel in a browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description for quick access. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, locate Payments, or go through Integrations and then Payments. Here, connect your payment provider such as Stripe by following the on-screen prompts to authorize your account. Take a moment to confirm whether you're in test mode or live mode so you know exactly how transactions will behave while you're setting things up. Now, let's take payments through funnels. Go to Sites, then select Funnels. Choose the funnel you want to sell from and click Edit to open the funnel builder. In the builder, drag and drop an order form element onto the page where you want customers to check out. With the form in place, create a product. Give it a clear name, set the price, and choose the payment type, like a one-time payment or a subscription, depending on what you're offering. After creating it, assign that product to the order form so the form knows exactly what to charge. When you're done, click Save and then Publish to push your changes live. It's a good idea to preview the page and run a quick test purchase if you're in test mode, just to make sure everything looks and works as expected. You can also take payments via Invoices. From the main menu, open Payments and then Invoices. Click Create Invoice to start a new one. Select an existing contact or add a new one as the customer. Next, enter your product details and the amount due. When everything looks right, click Send. Your customer will receive the invoice with a secure payment link they can use to check out online. Finally, track payments inside the Payments dashboard. Keep an eye on incoming transactions and confirm that payments are successfully received. If something doesn't appear right away, allow a moment for processing and then verify inside your connected payment provider. That's it. Your account is ready to accept payments through both funnels and invoices. Thanks for watching.